have two cars running at the same time, competing with the 2 kilometers on each track. We are not giving out any passes for anybody to go and watch those cars. You don't need a pass, you don't need a sticker, you just need to drive and stay out of the track.
For this particular event, of course, we're expecting bigger, better, swankier, more fun, more funny, more people engagement, safer, and also to see a stronger Kenyan flavor with a bigger support from KCB. And so all round a better experience and better branding for the country with the normal or anticipated economic spin-offs. There are a lot of positive economic spin-offs from that. We certainly want to get back to those days when you had Kenyan drivers not only participating but actually competing, and competing really, really well. That's why we're talking about a stronger KNRC as a feeder pipeline. We are talking about a rallying school to develop rallying talents from the earliest age possible, from cutting to bagging and all across that whole ecosystem. So a strong Kenyan flavor is important for us.
Haya, garagano